Hello, YouTube family. This is Ravi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another very interesting video of human resource, and you are seeing for the second time on my YouTube video live. And the things have changed now, guys. And thank you so much for being part of my organization. I'm so sorry, not my organization, my channel, my community. And I'm not holding any organization, obviously. I'm also working. So thank you so much for giving so much of love and support. And the video will be coming very soon on all the other modules. But let's finish the module which I was doing it, HRSD. And I came live because I wanted to tell you a few things. ServiceNow is giving me, and I think those who are investing in ServiceNow, a lot. Like you can be part of ServiceNow meetup, you can be part of ServiceNow calls. Like recently, I have attended Delhi meetup. Similarly, Bangalore meetup will be there. So you will get opportunity to talk to those individuals. You can talk with them. You can gain an insight. You can have an idea how ServiceNow ecosystem is working. And it's like a chain. Chain in the sense when you connect to one person will connect to second person. So it's like a chain will continue and you will grow a lot. This I have seen in my career. I am 110% sure that you will be also doing the same in your career. Don't have to be expert in service now, but make sure that whatever you do, you should do with your passion, honesty. Honesty is the main key, and you will grow a lot. So let's get started. And we have done 3 videos on HRSD, and this week and the next week, I guess I will finish this HRSD series. So today we are going to talk about human resource service delivery model. And again, we have already discussed on day one, day two, how HRSD system works. Today's topic is, I guess, HR templates and HR services. So let's get started. And thank you so much for being part of my I'm so sorry for part of my team, community, and the YouTube channel. Let's get started. So let me share my screen. I think I'm already sharing. Yeah, I'm already sharing. So as we know that we have HR case management, and last class or last video, we have seen how we have created our HR matching rule, HR assignment tool, escalate tool. Now today, we are see how HR services are important. Before I go there, if I open HR, and if I have to create a case, guys, let's say if I open this case, okay, service now is pretty much slow. Maybe they are targeting to move our data centers to RaptorDB. Maybe that's the reason it is slow. Not sure. So if you choose, let's say any particular person, let's say able tutor, the point here is you have to choose HR service. And under that HR service, the case is gonna be created for all the individuals. Okay. So if you are an individual, the case should be created. So one thing first, remember it. When you are doing any module, make sure that you work like you don't know anything and then start working with different small steps. So let's go there. So here we will choose any services, and this service is directly proportional to COE. So I have a small diagram for you. Let me just click on snipping tool and just show you. Okay. So this is a funnel. You might find this image across the internet, and this funnel is super important. This funnel is divided into 3 stages. One, two. The, f- the first stage is your COE, or you can say that inside first you have to choose the COE. Under COE, you will create topic category. Topic category means I will show you that logic. What is topic category? Basically, topic category is something under which category you are going to create your HR services. Maybe let's say maternity leave, or let's say payroll discrepancies, or let's say any HR related activity. So you have to create topic category and then topic details, and then I think fourth one will be the last will be HR service. So HR service cannot be created directly. So if you shift COE outside, the first funnel will be topic category, second funnel will be topic details, and the third funnel will be HR services. So it's like this: topic category you have to create, then you have to create topic details, and then you have to create HR services. Now, this all comes under a common module called COE. These all should comes under a center of excellence. It could be your any table on your COE. So let's go back and let's create according to this functionality. Okay. So to create HR service, just type here HR service. And once you type HR service, it is under HR administrator. So in this HR administrator, we have HR services, topic category and topic detail. This is the what I was talking. So if I open this any HR service, for example, here, these are the list of HR services which will be displayed. So let's wait for a while. ServiceNow is slow. Let me close this. Yeah, these are the HR services, and you will notice it is under certain COE table. It has certain topic details and it has certain categories. So you cannot directly create it. If you click on new and if you wanted to create any HR services, you should know what is the topic category. Let's see. You should know topic details, obviously. So you have to have topic category. So what I will do is, first let's go back and change this to human resource. Your application scope should be human resource. If you create in global, in future you cannot access it in a scoped application. Okay. So yeah, now it is HR. Yep. And now type HR service. And under that, you have to create topic category. Open topic category and let's create a new category. So as I told you, you have to choose a COE. So let me choose a random COE. So let's choose payroll, and name you can choose as let it be some salary slash account credit issue. So this is my category, salary slash account credit issue. So once you save this record, below it you will get topic details to be created. So first you will create topic category. Under that you will create topic details, and this is one of your interview questions which is generally asked in interviews. So under topic details, click on new and let's choose your details. The details is, let's say, salary discrepancy. I am very bad at spelling, guys. Discrepancy. And this is the spelling. Copy. Perfect. And now click on save. So first what we created topic category, then topic details, and now we have to build our HR service. So here we have an HR service. We are going to build it now. HR service is nothing but a service which a employee can opt for. Like I am an employee, I can opt for a service called insurance plan, correct? Vacation planning. All that services which is given to an employee is called your HR services, and which is generally done by the HR. So let's service name is account issue slash salary issue. And you will notice topic details is automatically selected and topic category is already selected. And once you type this, by default, the backend name will be with a underscore. So there is a script running on change of HR service, this should happen. This is script running in the backend. Fine. And these details you know already. Come to the right hand side. We have, oh, sorry, first come to the fulfillment type, which is manual. So there are a lot of types, and here only we will spend lot of time in our videos, in the upcoming videos. We will see each and everything. First, manual. Manual means there is no automation involved. Everything has to be done manually. In the next example, we will see how you will build a service activity, and then flow, and then script if required. So we'll go with the manual activity first. Under this manual activity, come to the right hand side. Only two fields are mandatory. So when you submit a request, just a second. Once you submit a request on service catalog, or once you submit a case via manual activity, we have two things, opened for and subject person. Let me show you. Just type here HR, create a case. Opened for and subject person. So this should be someone whose name is selected over here. Now you can change this name also on your behalf. Someone else is raising a request. So your name might be coming up over here, might not be coming up over here. So that's why opened for an approval view will be default opened for. See, this is nothing but HR service based configuration. So we have already seen in day 3 what is HR service based configuration. You can choose opened for, and same goes with the subject person. If you have not seen what are the default configurations, just type here ServiceNow Ravi, enter. Go to YouTube. Sorry for promoting it, but that's okay. Here, day 1, day 2 here. We have here, I think, case configuration. Yes, here and here. You can check these two videos. You will get more ideas. Come back. Okay. Now, again, you have a case configuration, service configuration. Same thing. How we can configure in the previous class, previous video, you can configure it. Here we have record producer. We have not yet covered this topic. We will come back to this when we cover this topic. HR record producer. We will create a record producer for our HR. Same goes with the template. As of now, just save this. And once I save this, you will notice template become editable. Now I can edit this template. So if I use any template, what is the use of template? I will show you. Just give me just 5 minutes of time. After explaining this, I will show you how we can use the template over here. And template play a very important role in ServiceNow human resource, because the pre-filled data should be coming from the HR template. Pre-filled data on the case table. Same goes with record producer. So when you use record producer, and you automatically this HR service will be selected because this record producer is meant for this HR service. So you can use that as well. Let me show you something. This is created. Come back. Refresh the page. So I'm going to create a case for employee. So let's put able tutor. And COE, obviously payroll. Why payroll? Because this HR service is on the COE payroll, and I have to choose HR service as account salary issue. You can see here. The same thing which I have created right now. Salary/account issue. Click on this and just click on create case. And the case will be created for that user. Which user? Opened for. See, the case is created, and few things are auto-filled and few things are not auto-filled. Like short description is not auto-filled. The skills are not auto-filled. But as you know that we have an assignment rule, day 3 video. It is auto-filled. Got my point? So to fill all these details, like you have to add checklist and everything. For example, you can use HR template. So I'll come back to the HR template. So make sure that what is the HR service? A service that a user here is employee. HR model is bring on top of the employee. Employee can be manager, employee can be Normal employee can be an HR employee, can be a admin employee, can be a developer. Everyone who's working in organization is common across all HR platforms. Correct? All are employees. So if you are an employee, I am providing you a service call. If you have an issue on account, you can raise a case. In general organization also, guys, we have to raise a case if you have any issues. Payroll or pay slips, we are not, our salaries are not getting credited. We will raise a request. Same thing here, but way beyond it. So this is called HR service. Fine. We created a case using HR service, but few things are not filled automatically. So we will use a HR template to fill this automatically when the HR service is selected. Let's do that. Just type here HR template. And once you type HR template, all is under HR administrator. Open this HR template. Fine. Click on new. So the template name is account/salary issue. Table, you can choose payroll because we are going to create on the payroll table, and save it first. Go back and open this again. Okay. So when you save it and reopen back, so this template will be open in the new view. This view is nothing but the new UI of our template. Earlier, this UI, we can switch to classic UI, which was the old UI, but now we are on the new UI. So I will put a description saying that account is not credited with salary on last working day of the month. Now, this short description will auto apply to an HR case here when I choose template on HR service. I'll show you that. Just wait for a while. You can choose a priority high because salary is very important for everyone. And you can choose assignment type, skill use assignment. You can even choose whatever the option you want to fill. You wanted to fill any option, you can fill it. Description, for example, you can fill this option. Your wish. I wanted to fill skill. Skill option is not showing up. Here, the skill is here only. I am going to choose the skill as payroll. So it will go to the payroll team, and you can choose the assignment group also. So I can choose payroll assignment group. If it is not there, then I can choose any random assignment group. We can ignore it. So payroll, and just save it and see how it works. So one HR case template is created. Fine. We'll close this. We'll open our HR service call, which is already open, account salary. And here I will use the template. Account salary issue. Perfect. And click on save. So now this HR service having this HR model. See, template is there. Preview the record. I can preview the record and I can preview the template as well. I don't know why it is having two eye button, not sure. It should not have ideally. So now let's create a case. Close everything now. Yeah. Type HR case. Create a new case. Enable tutor. COE payroll. HR service as our account. And click on create case. You will notice whatever I have used on template will be auto applied here. Let's see. You can see the short description. Account is not credited with salary on last working day and the skill is payroll. So what it means? Whenever you see pre-filled data, this data is pre-filled with the help of your ServiceNow HR template. I hope you are getting it. So all comes with this HR service, guys. If you open this HR service, here we have HR template. You can create a checklist also, and checklist will appear over there. Like check the user account. Checklist is something like we even create a list for our family members when you go for a grocery shopping. We create a list, same like this. Let's say click on new. And you can put like this, check bank statement. Okay. Then again add an item, contact bank if amount is blocked. If bank has no issue, then check company account details. Any discrepancy, please re if any discrepancy is not found, please re-trigger the salary. Okay, these are the 4 checklists which an HR team is gonna work on this. Okay, so this is related. This is for HR to whom it is assigned. So when you create a case, this checklist will be available over there. And that's all for today. So when I do the next video for HR, this time I am going to show you via service activity, which is important. Here you can ask for approval, and then you can create create multiple HR templates for e-signature. I will create another service and I will do other things. Second point, guys, let me do that again. So when you choose here your service, and when you click on create case, just an example I'm showing you, what will happen? First of all, I wanted to show you this checklist is coming up over here. And if it is done, you can check this option. It will be strike off. Second point is we have this option called ready for work, which I shown you in day 2. When you click on ready for work and everything is pre-filled, assigned to person will be coming from the matching rule. So if HR tier 1 assignment group has HR members with a skill called payroll. So let me open that before I wind up the session. There are 6 members. I don't know out of these 6 members who is having a skill. Let me check. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I open all these users side by side and we can check. This person does not have a payroll, so it will not assign. This person does not have a payroll. Fine. No payroll. No payroll. Payroll. See. So when I click on ready for work, or let me check, Tammy is also the one who is having it. Tammy is also having it payroll. So now there are 2 person who is having a payroll. So what matching rule will do is it will check for the available agent. Available agent means, for example, Tammy is already having 5 tickets assigned and Warren is not having 5 tickets assigned. He's only having 1 ticket assigned. So I cannot load Tammy. So there's a matching rule working, which I showed in the last class. What is matching rule? You can go and check the video. There's a script running, script include. According to that script include, it will calculate. So if I go ahead and click on ready for work, just see to whom it is assigned. Let's check. See Warren. Because maybe Tammy has multiple work to do. You never know. So this assigned to Tammy, and as this Tammy belongs to an HR team. So this HR will work on this ticket. So when I impersonate this person, which I will show in the next class, I will when I impersonate this person, I will be able to see the case under his profile. And he have to check all this part. If everything is fine, well and good. So this is just a small demo which I showed you. In the next class, we'll see much bigger demos. So next class will be more big. I think that will be a big video. Please watch the full video, guys, because a lot of time and effort is going on to make a single video. And I don't do a cut. If you will notice when I upload the same video, it will not have any cut on that video. Okay. So it takes time. And thank you so much, guys. So we'll meet in the next class. Till then, thank you so much and happy to join me on my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe and let me know if you have any doubt on any of the topic. You can have in the comment section. I will able to answer whatever I can do. Thank you so much.